As you can tell, it says delivered. I was about to go mow and I saw this. And let's go check it. Let's go see if it actually delivered. See if it's here. Oh, should be in here. Alright, let's go open this stuff up. I'll see y'all upstairs. Alright, we're upstairs now. Let's get this thing open real quick. Alright, the moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I shouldn't be doing Star Wars for opening a real box. It's all packaged nicely. You might be able to see it through it barely. I got the 8:5 to 1 gear ratio, pretty sure. It's not a green box like the other ones. It's black. Okay, this is probably gonna be my favorite reel. Oh yeah. It's a little different color than the K. It might have a bigger handle, I can't really tell. But I'm gonna do a test soon on it later. Let me see if I can get it to do the whine without any line on it. Oh no. I don't think I can do it with the whine. It's really cool so far. I just can't wait to get on the water and fish it, but I'll do that later. Maybe today. I might be able to. I don't know. It depends if I have line. But stay tuned for that. And it should be pretty cool because I really do want to hear it. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, something I didn't cover with this reel that I haven't talked about yet, even though I haven't talked about hardly anything with it. I just want to go fish with it, but we're going to do that later. So before we go fish, I looked at the directions and figured out how to take the case off the cover for the brakes and stuff, like in regular reels and stuff. But it's a little different. It has this open knob, and it also has the numbers and stuff. You press open, and then you twist it. Let's see. Yeah, you twist it down, and then it pops right out like that. And then it's saying right here for the brake control things. I know like one's for fluorocarbon or something like that. All the different modes. It's recommending. Let's see. It's saying 1 is for maximum distance. I'll just put it off. It's saying 1 right there for maximum distance. It don't look like y'all can see that. But 2 for braided and mono filamented lines in any condition. 3 for fluorocarbon lines in any conditions. 4 for extreme windy conditions, beginners, and skipping techniques. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably keep it on around 1. Well, maybe 3. I'll start off with 3, since I'll probably put fluorocarbon on as my worm rod. But let's go fish with it. Alright guys, I tried doing a sound thing, a test with this on the pond, but my mic wasn't right on my GoPro and it didn't get anything. So I'm going to try to do it in this low light condition in the dark. It's under my carport. It might not be that good, but hopefully y'all can hear it. I'm going to try to get a good cast or whip it real low. Alright, let's see. That one might have been a little quiet. See if I can get a better one. But I might be backlashing because I can't see it hit the ground, or just kind of casting out there trying to stay close to the camera and not hit this Jeep. Let me try to do it the shaky way. Let's see. This might be better. Alright, that was a good one right there. I think y'all saw that one, and then, yeah, there was some sound. There's probably some good sound in that one. Alright, well, thanks for watching. This last part I know was not good lighting or anything, but hopefully y'all get an idea of it. It's just pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like the video. If you want me to do a test on this reel versus like a regular one, cast distance or whatever, let me know in the comment section. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.